So, Tyga has cleared the air about Kylie Jenner's baby being his. Sources close to him have been confirming it allegedly for weeks now. And on Friday, it appeared that he was being petty and posted a baby picture of himself right after Kylie posted the picture of her baby, alluding that it's his child too. That's what everybody was making it seem as y'all can see. Well, turns out it was the other way around. She actually posted a baby picture an hour after he posted his, and here's the proof. Straight out of our screenshots. As you can see, we screenshot both on Friday, and you can see that his was posted 3 hours ago. Hers 2 hours ago, meaning an hour after his. So yeah, he took to Twitter a day ago and said, "I've never said anything about someone else's child or family insinuating my involvement and will never do so. Please stop spreading false stories and attacking people's families. I have nothing to do with any of that. People should be able to live in peace." We all saw that snap. Wait, what snap though? Check it out.
Bitch, you's a motherfucking whore. Who you about to have a baby for? I think you need a reminder. I've been hitting that since you was a minor. And I was over 21, I'm a savage. Now you fucking with this lame nigga Travis. Hell, you make a nigga sick. And you out here faker than your lips. Damn, how you give that guy kid? You did me worse than that bitch Black China did. Damn, now I don't understand y'all. Killing by the dead grandma / grandpa. T-Raw, you don't know who you fucking with. Now I'm frontin' right now, I need some money, bitch. Yeah, time's getting hard. Baby ain't pay me, so they repo my cars. And I ain't haven't hit since Rack City. So stop playing, bitch, get back with me. Raw.
Hilarious. Nailed it. But what do y'all think about this? Leave your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more. Like and follow us at facebook.com/pettyblog. And don't forget to hit that bell to join the notification gang. pettyblog.com signing off.